You found some great books, and now you need to check out. Use these simple steps to check out correctly.
Before you get in line for checkout, you should have the books you want to borrow and your library card.
First, you need to make sure the computer is ready for checkout. At the top of the screen, do you see the words checkout? If so, you're good to go.
Now the computer needs to know who you are. Find and scan your library card. Your name should appear on the screen in the top left corner. Do you see it? If you do, great. If you don't see your name, make sure you have your own library card and you can try scanning your card again. If it still doesn't work, the cursor has probably moved. Click in the text box next to Item or Borrower Barcode and then try scanning your card again.
At this point, you may see a message on the screen that says overdue or lost. If you have overdue or lost books, you will not be allowed to check out today. If this surprises you, ask for your teacher's help. Before you leave the computer, click No CKO so the computer is ready for the next student.
If you don't have overdue or lost books, you'll be allowed to continue. Most students will just see their name at the top of the screen. The next step is to click the All Items Out button near the bottom in the middle. This will show you any books you currently have out. Remember, you can only check out 2 books at a time. If you already have 2 books checked out, you won't be able to check out additional books until you've returned at least 1. If you have 1 book out, you can get 1 more. And if you have no books checked out, you may borrow 2.
Now it's time to scan your books. Use the barcode with your school's name. Then check for the title of the book on the screen. If there's a problem, you'll see a dialog box on the screen. Usually, you can click Cancel and try again. Double check to be sure you are scanning the correct barcode. If the dialog box pops up again, ask for your teacher's help.
Make sure your library card is returned to your class envelope. You now have 2 weeks to enjoy your books.
If you're enjoying a great chapter book and you won't finish it before the due date, bring it in and renew it. Renewing a book is like checking it out again. You can keep it for an additional 2 weeks. When you renew, follow all the same steps for checking out a book. 2 dialog boxes will appear asking, "Do you wish to renew?" and "Are the items present?" The answer to both should be yes. Thanks for checking out this checkout video.